So over here you can see that I have this product right here in my store, and if I were to go ahead and click on manage products, then you can actually see the products right here just like this. So let's say I want to create a duplicate of a product so I can make a slightly different version of it. In that case, I can simply click on the gear icon right here and duplicate it out right here just like this. So once I do that, now you can see that I have created a duplicate right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, if I don't want to show a product, I can go ahead and hide it right here, just like this. But if I want to go ahead and delete, so let's just go ahead and select all categories. And let's say I want to go ahead and delete this particular product right here. In that case, I can go ahead and delete out the product right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can see that certain products are enabled, certain are disabled, so users can't purchase it. So you can go ahead and enable these out right here as well. So you can go ahead and say, let's say, for example, custom enable, and then you can go ahead and enable out these products right here, just like this as well. But in my free user account, I can only enable one right here. So let's just go ahead and just enable out this one. So let me just go ahead and quickly publish it, and then I'm going to publish as free site right here. And let's just go ahead and see how that looks now. So there's the duplicate product right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So photo editing class is here. So if I were to go around over here, I can go ahead and select out the quantity right here. I got the basic course right here. And then you can see that I got the duplicate courses right here, just like this. As a free user, when it means that product is active, users can actually go ahead and purchase it. But for that, you do need to add in a payment gateway, which we haven't done so. So I cannot actually go ahead and purchase it immediately right here. So that is basically how you can go ahead and duplicate, hide, and delete out store products as you need inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.